channel and welcome to a new video. This video is so special to me because finally I've been waiting for this really long, and I think you already know what this is because I've been tweeting and Instagramming and Facebooking things about it. So here it is. I will make this video really short because outside it's really hot. I want to take a shower and get the hell out of this house because inside it's hell on earth. So yeah, I mean, I hope I will not. This is the first time I open a box like this, so I don't know if I am doing it right or not. Okay. Come on. Come on. Yeah. This will take a while. Enjoy the music. Even though I can hear it right now. I need a man! Okay, I'm just kidding. Whenever I try to open things, I immediately think about how much I need a man in my life. Ah, Bunny, don't die on me! It's you haven't even seen it yet. Okay. What is this? What? Yes, it looks so weird. I don't know. I haven't watched any unboxing of this earlier. Or maybe I did, but it didn't look like this. Or did it? Okay. Wait, okay. This is something I really like. So calming. They are so big. Okay, now I'm ready. Come on! Okay, I'm ready now. It's the other way around. Okay. Let's do it this way. Let's do it. Yes, I remember this color. This is the right way. Okay, I'm ready? Let's go. Dum dum dum. Dum dum dum. Ah! What? So small! What? Bruh! Bunny girl! Congratulations! I'm so happy. This is the first time I get something this special from anyone. YouTube, thank you so much. Oh my god, it looks so dope. Okay, now it's your turn to look at this. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is me unboxing my silver button for surpassing 100,000 subscribers, although we are now at 165,000 subscribers and it's been really fast. So the first 100,000 is the most difficult one. Once you surpass that, it gets easier. I promise you guys. Of course, I just want to add really quick, nothing would have been possible without your support and your help, without me working hard, being determined to do everything and just keep going and doing videos and creating videos on a daily basis. And let's try to pass 200,000 subscribers this year, hopefully. And yeah, I'm gonna go hang this behind my working environment so you will be able to see it on a daily basis. Thank you. My precious. So cool. I can see myself. Congratulations for surpassing 100,000 subscribers.